No. Wait, when I'm in the house, press that button. Hang on. Don't do it yet so they don't see it. Don't do it yet.
Both. Mickey Mouse way to do things. I get all the lights on. We're 3016 Loud Court. It's the front shot of the house, showing the landscape, the trees. Recently painted driveway, and the house is recently painted also. I'm going to walk up the driveway and enter the house. We got white picket fence in front, both sides of the house in front, and the entire backyard has a chain link fence, one-car garage. And some new landscaping in the front yard. In the living room, family room. Tile floor, tile throughout the main areas. And we have a dining area and recently upgraded kitchen with stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, and a door that leads into the close that door, into the garage. Right, come on. So we step back, and now we get a nice shot of this kitchen area. So here's the cabinets, and we got a microwave, new refrigerator, double door, French door, stainless steel, stove, dishwasher. Let's open the garage door. We have crown molding throughout the main areas of the house. Recently painted garage, and in the back of the garage we have the utility room for the washer and dryer. It's a nice sized utility room. And we're going back into the house. We got what do we call it?
Wall unit?
Wall unit. Okay. Open the door. Nice sliding door, new sliding door. Quality sliding door, not a cheap one. Nice solid door. Probably has some kind of impact too. And we have a nice little patio too, with some nice landscape. You don't have to tell them it's an AC, they know what it is. That's the extent of the yard. Got some storm clouds. Nice backyard. Quarter acre to half acre, I guess. Less than a half acre, probably quarter acre. Nice landscaping out here. I'm going to go back into the house and film the rest of the sleeping areas. Hallway with the master bedroom to the right. Master bedroom with a walk-in closet and new Berber carpeting. And a master bath. Oh, this is nicely done. Yeah, seating area in the shower. Now we're going to go on to the auxiliary bedrooms. Bedroom just across from the master is a hardwood floor, also crown molding, with one closet. And the second bedroom has Berber carpeting. Closet. Let's take a. And just right over here is the other bathroom. Tile floor. Nice new bath. Commode and vanity. Linen closet. And that completes the tour of 3016 Louth. But yeah, I don't know how to shut it off.